Most virtual assistants hit an income ceiling and blame their skills. It's almost never their skills. It's their pricing. In the next 4 minutes, you'll get the exact model that takes a new VA to $3,000 a month, starting with the one mistake keeping you stuck. That mistake is trading hours for dollars. And here's what nobody warns you about. The better you get, the less you earn. Finish in 1 hour what used to take 3, and hourly billing punishes you for being fast. Your income is capped at 24 hours a day, and your most skilled VAs hit that wall first. So, how do the ones earning real money get past it? They stop selling time and start selling outcomes. At $25 an hour, every bit of efficiency you gain shrinks your paycheck. Charge a flat $1,200 a month for a result, like a fully managed content calendar, and the hours you save turn into pure profit. Speed now pays you instead of costing you, because clients were never buying your clock. They're buying the result. But charging for that result once still leaves money on the table. This is where most VAs get stuck in feast or famine. A one-off pays you once, and the day it ends, you're back to zero. A retainer flips that. Do the work once, systemize it, and get paid on schedule every month. That predictable base is the line between a side hustle and a business. So with no experience, what do you actually charge for it? You do not work for free. And here's the twist. New VAs think low rates win clients. They don't. A fair starting range is $20 to $35 an hour, or a starter retainer around $300 a month and up. Name the highest number you can say out loud without your voice shaking. That flinch is fear, not market feedback. Then raise it on your next client. Now watch how a few of these stack. You do not need 10 clients for $3,000 a month. You need 3, priced right. Client 1, social media management. The content calendar, scheduling, and monthly reporting, about $1,200. Client 2, inbox and calendar. Triaging email, drafting replies, and booking meetings, about $900. Client 3, content repurposing. Turning one long video into clips, captions, and posts, about $900. That's $3,000 a month from 3 clients you can actually deliver for, without chasing new leads every week. 3 mistakes quietly wreck all of it. 1, staying hourly forever, which caps you and punishes speed, the exact trap we opened with. 2, burying one-off work inside a retainer. A website build isn't ongoing, so bill it separately. 3, undercharging to feel safe. Cheap rates don't attract easy clients. They attract the most demanding ones. So here's your move. Don't pull a number out of thin air, and don't copy someone else's. Your real rate depends on your costs, your hours, and the income you're building toward. The free VA pricing tool runs that exact math for you. Enter your numbers, and it hands you the rate you should be charging today. No experience required. Go to virtuousy.com/pricing tool, run yours, and see what you've been leaving on the table. Then go charge it.